What's up guys, Maitresh here with Mighty Moto on here with a new video. And today we have got the big boy kit for the Xpulse and so basically I'll show it to you all. This is the bore and this is 72 and it also has a hero logo even though it's from NMW. Maybe it's the same mold for this casting. And so this piston is not cast, it is a forged piston. So basically, this comes as like one piece, I think, and it's compressed with pressure, like it's compressed into this. And what that does is it increases the density of whatever this alloy is, making it really strong. So they give you everything to mount the piston like this. I have no clue what this is. This goes in between the piston and the connecting rod. They give you these circlips. And I got these racing clutch plates. And they're 5 and they're apparently made of like better materials. This might be ceramic, who knows. Waiting for this for a really long time. This is the NMW Racing 72 bore kit for the Xpulse. And guys, the Xpulse already has the NMW Racing high performance stage 2 camshaft, and this basically completes the entire package from NMW except the ECU. The ECU I'm going to be running is the Powertronic ECU. So guys, we are at Ozone Bike Point and Abdullah Bhaiya just opened up the head and the bore, and this is the old piston. So this is a 65 piston and the new one is a 72 You can see the difference. See, this is a cast piston, you can see the casting and all, and this is forged. You can really see the difference in the metal quality also. a new bore now. Hey, what's up guys? So it's been 2 days since we fitted the bore kit onto the Xpulse, and so today we are going to race dynamics, and I'm sort of late so I gotta rush. We're gonna race dynamics to get the bike tuned on the dyno, and basically what that means is, like, for the modifications that have been done on the bike, they'll tune the air fuel ratios correctly for it. Like, even getting an exhaust, you're supposed to tune your ECU for it, like, to get the correct output, so the engine is like at correct air fuel ratios. And with fuel injected bikes, like, whatever performance mods you do on it, like, the first thing you should do is the ECU, or you should do all the mods and then put the ECU at the last to, like, make it optimal. Okay guys, see you all there, bye. Hi guys, what's up? So I'm back home, and the Xpulse is finally 234cc and it is tuned. So now all I have to do is break it in and then we can go fast. It already feels like mad, and I'll show you all the dyno figures. You all should know that, like, what numbers the company gives you. Like, this is supposed to be 19 bhp from factory, I think, right? So to the wheel you only get around 13.8 or something. That was with the 234cc piston, so stock probably makes less than that. And now it's making like 15 point something bhp. So guys, if you all want to watch more on the Xpulse 234, let me know. I mean, obviously I'm still going to be posting. And if you all like the video, give it a like. If you all want to watch more videos, subscribe for more. Thanks guys, and I'll see you all in the next one. Hopefully this video is a banger and you'll like it. 234cc.